Hello again. It's mixology time. So today we're going to make a drink called a Bourbon Pressure. Using bullet bourbon, any bourbon will do, aromatic bitters, and something you might have lying around in the refrigerator because once upon a time you had a child who liked it and nobody else liked it. Orange marmalade. At least that's my feeling about orange marmalade, but it's quite good in this drink. So what we're going to do is we're going to add five. Hold on, got to get the measuring cup. We're going to add 5 parts bourbon, which is going to be about this much. Okay. Hello. Into the shaker. And then we're going to add a teaspoon. Gotta go grab a spoon. A teaspoon of this, actually homemade by a friend, but I still don't like orange marmalade. Orange marmalade. Be a little generous on that. And a little bit of bitters. And that's it. Get that lid on there. Now, if you're like me, and one of the things you don't like about orange marmalade is the peel. You don't get the peel in the drink. We're shaking all the orange jam, if you want to call it that, off the peels while we shake this, mixing it in with the water and the bourbon. Water from the ice, of course. And now I just need an old-fashioned glass. Throw some ice in it. Pour this over it. And there's a Bourbon Pressure. Very nice drink. A little orangey, tangy, bourbony drink. And that's it. So, Bourbon Pressure, bourbon, orange marmalade, and bitters.